Right, I've got the jump leads on it. Jump leads on a battery as well, just one off the van, so I can't see any reason there's nothing going to get trapped or anything. A wire off there, it must be the... Oh. Okay, what's that lot for? Ah, I'm guessing it's got some kind of secondary switch somewhere. Oh, up, there we go. Wiring that goes through to that. Okay. Okay, so what's that then? Oh, well, let's see if anything happens. We've only got one glow plug light, no other dash lights. It's turning over. I wonder if that is the wire. Yeah, well, that'll be the other wire at the other end. Just see if anything happens. Bloody hellfire. These things are ridiculous. Yeah, that's typically French. Well, it's nothing else, it's a non-sunroof 3-door shell. Seats are alright, headrest missing on that side. Might be in the boot, I can't tell, but I'd probably guess not. Is that power steering? No. Yeah, it's got power steering. And it half works. I need to blow these tyres up because they're somewhat flat. Oh dear. Alright, yeah. Okay, so that's the on-off switch. Inca. Do I want this? Do I really want this? I want to drive it out of here, that's one thing I want to do in a minute and see if it actually moves. Should blow some tyres up and we'll have a look.